We are inserting a ceiling. We switch to the ceiling ribbon. We can define the trivia ceilings, which we build with particular elements: beams, ribs, reinforcement. We can also define a monolithic ceiling, which we will later reinforce using the ArCADia reinforced concrete slab module. Having our shape of the building, the easiest way would be to choose an automatic ceiling. Then, the program itself will find an outer closed level contour. We can also choose a ceiling on the outline of the rectangle, where we show the width and depth of the ceiling. We also insert a ceiling on the outer contour of walls. A ceiling is placed on the outer contour of walls because it is a good definition of a wall. In other words, the carrier layer defines the behavior of the ceiling on the walls. Only after the insertion of ceiling, you will see the opening that is entered along with the stairs. If the shape of this opening does not correspond to our needs, we can modify it. After selecting it, in the Edit window and the Delete Point option, we indicate those points that we do not need. We finish with the right mouse button. We select the opening again and we move one of the nodes. And this is how the modified opening looks. The next option will be the new level. We click in the Project Manager window on the name of the existing level with the right mouse button. Or, here we choose from existing icons whether the level should go above or below. In the displayed window, we define the parameters, the name and height, and with such a height of the level, you have to lower the cut of the view. We also select elements to copy from the current level. In principle, we will leave only walls and approve it. A level is being created. Because this level is lower than the current one, and all the windows are copied together with all the walls, the display window will show a message saying that windows and doors do not fit in the walls and will be removed. The program has automatically switched to the inserted level, where we will now remove some of the walls. We select all the walls from the standard group and remove those items with a single click. Next, we mark off the external walls lock. We select them all and modify them. We change the materials of the wall. We remove one of the layers, but make sure that the axis is in the right place. We approve it by clicking OK, and the walls have been modified. Now, we will insert the strip footing. On the architecture ribbon, there is a strip footing option, which are entered by default together with the walls, so we switch off the walls. In the properties, we define the position of the strip footing. We will insert them under the existing walls. We insert strip footing on the wall axis. We need to enlarge the drawing to find the intersection point and start drawing from that point. And with the help of the anchor points, we outline a view by inserting the strip footing. We switch to the upper level either by double-clicking on the name or once the icon before the name. By using a right-click on your mouse, we choose Add a new level above. We change the parameters, for example height. We can modify the position of the floor cut line, and if we want to copy something from a certain level, we select the option and select the appropriate items. Now we can modify the created floor, remove unnecessary walls, insert new walls, remove doors, and so forth. The new level is lower than the previous one, so acquiring the ceiling, it has copied its height, so we have to lower it.